Ready, three, two, one, start. It was not just the optics but also the substance that marked the national security briefing last week. Full stop. The atmosphere in the National Assembly Hall was completely different that day to the mayhem witnessed at the budget session recently. Full stop. New paragraph. Lawmakers from both the Treasury and opposition benches sat for almost 8 hours as the military leadership briefed them about the gravity of the situation in Afghanistan and its impending fallout on Pakistan. Full stop. The discussion was substantive given the seriousness of the matter. Full stop. New paragraph. It was a rare change of atmosphere in the current parliament that has failed to be a forum for serious policy debate over the past 3 years. Full stop. Ironically, it was the presence of the military leadership that probably brought harmony to the House. Full stop. The Prime Minister, who is also the leader of the House, was conspicuous by his absence. Full stop. He was addressing the National Kisan Convention that day, raising questions about his ability to provide leadership at this critical juncture. Full stop. New paragraph. While the intelligence briefing may have helped in understanding the developing situation in Afghanistan in the aftermath of the withdrawal of the foreign forces, there is still the question of whether we have a clear policy on the effects of the exit. Full stop. One is not sure given the confusing and contradictory statements from the Prime Minister and his team. Full stop. Foreign policy chaos has seldom been so stark. Full stop. New paragraph. Bizarre rhetoric does not inspire much confidence in the PTI government's ability to navigate the country through challenges. Full stop. The leadership's twisted worldview and half-baked understanding of history and poor grasp of evolving geopolitics are scary. Full stop. More alarming is its divisive approach even on critical national issues. Full stop. That could become the biggest impediment to developing a national policy with the opposition's consensus. Full stop. One wonders if the same kind of serenity will prevail in Parliament during the foreign and national security debate that must surely follow the intelligence briefing. Full stop. It depends on whether the government and opposition demonstrate the same kind of discretion they showed during the national security briefing. Full stop.